I clap. Oh my goodness.
Add Abby. You are so bored.
I wrote both poetry on here.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Just waiting on the way past.
I love voices.
So hot this
All right,
year,
here we go.
and then everyone said,
We're
"Not
recording?
this year,
Yeah.
always."
Yeah.
Away.
Of a projection of the thing we're using to record.
Got it. I think so. See if it works. All right. So mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem states that if a function satisfies these three hypotheses. So first off, number one, it says f is continuous on the closed interval a to b. Tell me what that means. What does it mean to be continuous?
It means that
There are
should have
there's
opened my
vertical
mouth.
lines.
There's no
there's
discontinuity.
Okay, what do you
no
mean
breaks
no
in line. There are no asymptotes or holes.
No jumps, no breaks, no asymptotes,
Yes.
no holes.
No vertical.
It's
no
just
vertical asymptotes.
a river.
It's a continuous
With
line.
no dams or bridges.
If I said to prove this with the definition of continuity,
Oh, there's three steps.
It's that one.
There's three
it's
steps.
that one thing.
Find a point. Something
no,
about the
no,
limits.
Oh, it's the limit as x approaches is a x equals f, or something like that, right?
okay, you on page?
No, it's good. She said it. Okay.
No, she didn't. She started
Oh.
to and she faded off.
Oh, well, okay. It's one of them is the limit as x approaches a equals f of a, and then f of a has to exist, and the limit as x approaches a has to exist.
Well, so for number one, when it says f is continuous on the closed interval, we're not gonna. When you have to actually practice this, you don't have to prove it with the definition, with those three steps of continuity. You could say something simple like, for example, here, if we're verifying 5 minus 12x plus 3x squared, you would just say it's a polynomial, therefore it's continuous. Okay? The only thing you'd have to watch out for is if you have something like rational or what else is not continuous besides rational? Square root. Square root can be continuous on a given interval, right?
Oh yeah. But then
Okay. Number two says it has to be also differentiable on an open interval from a to b. So you have to be able to take the derivative. So think of things like absolute value, right?
You can't take the absolute value. Oh god.
Why
You
can't
can't
you
take the derivative and an absolute value.
It's continuous. Absolute value is continuous. Why can't you take the derivative?
so an abrupt change.
Honestly, don't know.
It has that point, right? Those abrupt changes in slope.
I didn't know that's what differential is.
Really?
Well,
It's been like 3 years.
To take the derivative.
yeah.
And then part 3 says f of a has to equal f of b. What does that mean?
F of A has to equal F of B. Wait. When you plug A into the equation and when you plug B into the equation, they are the same number.
Yeah. What do you mean number?
They equal each other.
Yeah,
The
they,
y's have to
The y's have to equal each other. So
yeah.
the height of the curve or your y values. So let's go ahead and draw this. I want everyone to draw something on the closed interval from A to B that's continuous, differentiable, and the heights of f of A equals the height of f of B. We can all have different graphs.
Okay, wait. So hold on. Just to be clear, so it could do anything within,
Do anything.
as long as it ends like on the same value.
Yeah.
Why? Actually, no. I'm not asking that.
I'll
Or
tell
no,
you
wait. You can't. Can you make a? Oh, no.
You guys all have to draw one before I go on. You're using pencils. We can erase if we need to. Keely, you want to come draw yours really quick? Joey, you want to draw yours?
Make a fun parabola.
There's Keely. You want to come draw yours?
On the
There's
same-
one.
On the same graph. Should I get a
We'll
different
erase it.
color?
Oh yeah, different color.
Did I tell you guys how my 8th grade math teacher wanted to name her daughter Parabola?
Wait, what?
Or actually, it was 7th grade, but she seriously wanted to name her daughter Parabola, and her husband wouldn't let her.
I
No.
wouldn't. Parabola dinner's really.
I like the name Theta, but that's also
Beta.
All right, so there you go. You have two different graphs. Both of them have the same y value, right? And Rolle's theorem just states if you have this interval with from A to B and the heights are the same, that there has to be a point C somewhere within this interval that has a derivative equal to 0. What does that mean? Derivative equal to 0.
The slope is 0 at that point. The slope of the tangent line.
The slope of the tangent line has to be 0. So somewhere between here, there has to be the slope of a tangent line at the value of C, where it's 0. On Keely's, right here is C, and there's the slope of a tangent line. Okay, on Joe's, here's the slope of 0, 0. Joe has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different values of C. So there's 5 C values, which you can have multiple, depending on your curve. Okay? So let's try to show this with this practice here. It says to verify that it satisfies all 3 conditions of Rolle's theorem, and then we're going to find C. So we're going to find out what this number is. Okay?
Let's see if this actually.
Sure, check this